job. Oh, yeah. Taylor? Hi, Taylor. Hi, Taylor. Uh-oh. Where'd the spoon go? Go get it. And you got it? Oh, that works too. Yeah, can you get up? Can you get up?
Actually, she just
Yeah.
that look just reminded me of me, a picture of me when I was baby.
Oh, forget that spoon. There's a cocktail over here in my sippy cup. Yes.
Oh, Ryan, where is it?
Oh.
Oh, there you go.
That's it. Take a drink.
Here's my sippy cup.
And Julia has a sippy cup. Yes. Can you say cheers? Can you say cheers with Grandpa? Cheers. Yeah, it's good stuff. Yeah. Shake it up, Judy. Is that good? What are you having, Taylor?
Water.
What is that? Is that water? Ooh. Oh, yeah. It's good stuff. Very good stuff.